Hello, it's me, it's Douglas, and today I am here for my other company, Terrenas Property Services, construction and building, and this is the mansion house at Coson. I'm sure a lot of you have already been following these videos and following this house with interest. It's an incredible house, 8 bedrooms, 8 full bathrooms, all en suite, 2 half bathrooms, 1 inside and 1 outside for the garden and the pool. It's got 2 kitchens, massive laundry room, outdoor kitchen as well, massive walk-in closet for the main bedroom, which is it's a dressing room rather than a closet. It's massive, it's like in a room. So enjoy watching the videos as I take you around this house. It's a sunny day today. We've had loads of rain, so the house has got a lot of water because we haven't got it sealed up yet. It's not watertight. There's no doors and windows, so that's a bit of a bummer. But it's a nice day today, so enjoy the tour. And the house, it's not listed as yet. We're going to wait a little bit longer until we get the house in a better state, and then we're going to digitally stage it, and then we're going to have various open houses on it to sell it. But the guide price is going to be around about 2.7 million. We're hoping to get. Okay, so enjoy the tour, and you can get hold of me, Douglas, at my phone number. It's also my WhatsApp, 1-829-436-3912. Or you can email me at doug@lasterrenasproperty.com. And Las Terrenas is L-A-S, Terrenas is T-E-R-R-E-N-A-S, and property with a Y.com. But all this information you can get on the YouTube video. If you scroll down, a lot of people don't ask me things, but if you actually scroll down past the video, there's all the information, all the contact details in my bio, and you can get hold of me that way. Okay, so have a great day. Well, it's November the 2nd today, and we're at the mansion house in Coson, and as you can see, the finishing outside is looking absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It's looking so nice indeed. So we're going to go inside the house as well, so you can follow me. I'm Douglas, and today I'm not with Beachtown Property Real Estate. I'm with Las Terrenas Property Construction Services, and this is one of the houses that we are building. Okay, so if you follow the link on this video, you get all the information, and this house is going to be sold, and it's going to be sold for around about $2.7 million or thereabouts. So follow me on this journey, and you can come in and see. Now, this is the travertine marble floors that we've put down. These have had the first polish, and you can see, and I think a lot of you have already followed the videos, how high the ceilings are here, and what a beautiful job we've done. The walls aren't finished here, but they've got to be polished, but they'll be like Venetian plaster, and the floors are gorgeous. And there's the staircase that got to have all the railings put on it, of course. So all the drop ceilings are going in, which is going to be superb. So you follow me around on this adventure. We've got the kitchen area here, and now the ceilings are going in. It's looking great, and all the services are there. That great big pipe there you see at the top, that's for the extractor here, which is going to be for the kitchen. And then this is for the dining room. You can see we've had an awful lot of rain over the last week. Floods, well, there's been tragic floods all over the place, so we've had a lot of water coming in here. Okay, so we've got to get this cleaned out. There we can see the swimming pool is really coming on. It's looking great. Of course, we've got to take out this shelf area. This is not what we want. And the sea's over there. The house across from us seems to have sort of stalled. I don't know what's the matter with that one. Okay, ciao. Nice to meet you. And all the pipes are here. And then this is the outdoor kitchen area, barbecue area, which is really nice. And as you can see, this is all going to be landscape garden areas here, and the walkway. And then as we come down here, you can see the rain again. We've had a lot, but that's for the swimming pool. And we don't scrimp and save on things, you know, we do everything correctly here. The plumbing is done perfectly. We even test it all with pressure gauges to make sure we don't have any leaks after we put the stuff in, and it's all done really nicely. And then we walk round, and this is where there's going to be a bathroom, an outdoor bathroom, which is, you know, using the pool. You want a shower, there's going to be an outdoor shower as well. And let's just take you back inside. And as you can see, lovely finishing. I'll just show you on the outside. And the nice balustrades are going in there. You know, looking very, very sexy. Very sexy indeed. Very nice. Really loving it. Let's make sure we don't fall in the pool. Whoops a daisy. Blimey. Try to jump over that bit. Yeah, that's good. I'm in. And then this is the stairs and the walkway, and the beach is down there, as you can see. A very rough day today. It's nice and sunny today. Hopefully we're not going to get any rain. And you can see the balustrades go round, and there's 2 balconies there as well on the outside. So we'll just go and dip in here. And the thing with this house, it's got a colossal amount of this entertainment covered terrace space. Really nice. That's the bedroom there. And again, all the floors. Look at the rain that came in. It's whew. And rain, oh my goodness, it was like, you've never seen so much rain. Well, apart from in Valencia, those poor souls that passed away, that's tragic. Prayers to the families. And this has got its own nice little balcony area which you can come out on. Have a little cup of tea in the morning out here. And there's one above which is exactly the same. Of course, all this has got to be finished and done. And even with the drop ceilings, look how tall the ceilings are. They're massive. And all the travertine bathrooms and everything. And this is the lift shaft. Again, that's full of water. But that's where the elevator's going to go. And then as we wander down here, we've got a half bath here with a, you know, toilet and whatever. This is the laundry room, which is a great size. You know, this is a size of this for a laundry room. You know, plenty of space in here. Sink and all the services for laundry. And then as we walk down here, I say there's the main kitchen. And then we have a second kitchen here and pantry and storeroom. All the electrics are going in, as you can see. Then this is a bedroom on the ground floor, which is great size. And there's the 2 garages as well, which we see. So this is a nice size. And that's an extra little store shelf area, closet space there. And I love this. This is like a little colonnaded walkway to the garage. So if it's raining, you park your car there, and then you come walking down, and you don't get wet. And you can use this bedroom also as a separate entity, you know, the lock off, and it can be used as a separate rental bedroom if you so wanted. There's going to be all closets here. Okay, so we walk through the kitchen. You've seen the massive dining room. That dining room's huge compared to the size of the kitchen. But the kitchen's going to be a good size. There's going to be an island here as well in the middle. So once it's finished and done, it's a good size. So we're going to go upstairs now. And as I say, we get a better view upstairs of the vault ceiling. These are good, beautiful columns outside. So we're up the staircase, and this is all going to have railings and balustrade on it. Be very beautiful. And there's a massive loft up there, or attic or whatever. You know, that's going to be done. It's not going to be used as a room, but it could easily be used, and we can put a staircase there. So this is an entertainment area here. So in this area here, you could have a games, you know, a pool table, TVs. You can have all sorts of entertainment, and that was the whole idea of this. This second level here was a huge entertainment level, because of course you do have the ocean views. And okay, you've got that house in front, but that house, you know, you see through it. Once that grey shed's removed, you see through all that. And then you've got this wonderful arch at the front here, which is really, really nice. And as I say, natural light coming in through the windows. It's all very beautiful. So let's just nip down here. And downstairs, as I said, we had 1, 2, 3 bedrooms. And then here we have a bathroom here. Upstairs, large bathroom, as you can see. And then we have another bedroom. That's bedroom number 4. Then this is the principal bedroom, or master bedroom, or the mistress bedroom. And this is a great size. And then this has got a huge bathroom. It's got a walk-in shower at the end. There are twin vanities. A really, really good place. Okay, but the bathroom is just for there's a bathtub, twin vanities, the showers at the end. As you can see, there's going to be dual showers, one on each of the opposing walls. And again, you take a shower and you get a nice view here. And then the toilet for the master suite, we decided to put the toilet in a separate area, which is here. So this is again, it's a toilet with a wash hand basin, great size. And you can see all the beautiful travertine marble on the floors, on the walls. And then this here is the dressing area. It's a dressing room, it's a closet. So we're going to fit this out. The deep area here, this is going to be like for shoes. And the rest is going to have its own little closets and stuff. So it's all going to be very good. And what a great view, hey? You've got from the master bedroom. You wake up in the morning and take some coffee or tea out here, looking at the sea. Beautiful. And then there's another 2 bedrooms down here. Oh, sorry, there's 3 bedrooms here, actually. I'm giving you a lie. Oh, so this is the smallest bedroom, but it's got its own bathroom as well, as you see. And that's, again, all with travertine marble, fully tiled. It's a smaller bathroom, but it's a small bedroom. It's a bedroom for children, really. And then we've got 2 opposing bedrooms there. The mirror images are the ones you find downstairs. They're huge. This one, like the one downstairs, has got its own balcony area, which is very nice. And again, it's got ocean views. You get up in the morning, you can see the ocean through those trees there. And it's got a huge bathroom. And the travertine marble tiling's all been done. Fantastic. And then we go into the last of these bedrooms on this level. Big closet spaces either side. They're all going to be handmade. Dual vanities, separate toilets, separate shower. Really nice. The tiling's top notch. It's travertine marble. You can't get much better. It's really good. Someone's got some fingerprints. And again, here you wake up and you've got the ocean views. So the house is coming on. A finish date on this, we're probably looking at April, May next year. It all depends on the doors and windows. This is half the problem with getting the houses here. Getting these fixtures, because everything is imported and we have to wait, so it's never easy. So that's always it's the last finishing of 10% that takes almost as long as the rest of the build. It's crazy. Got tangled up in some wires. Okay, so we're going to finish our little tour.